Again, my name is Daniel Lopez with Service Master North Texas. This is Stephen Pettis with me. We're going to be doing some repairs on carpet. Some of the common things we hear a lot is once the carpet gets cut, it can't be repaired. Technically, this isn't true. We do quite a bit of our own repairs, going back in, setting them up. We're going to use basically this piece of carpet today, start separating it, putting it back together, get everything back the way it's supposed to be. So basically what we're doing is going to let the glue heat up. Again, like I said, this takes about 1-2 minutes. If you notice the light on top, it's telling us the system's on. These things actually have their own temperature control, depending on what kind of carpet we're dealing with. Sometimes we actually have to use lower heat, so we don't release it back in on this one. And again, it takes usually longer for the glue to heat up, but we can get the same effect. Once we actually get it going, you notice it'll slide very easy. And we basically slide over to the next section. These backings, now mind you, I'm using a open piece here, but these backings, once it's done, we'll actually slide together. We use the roller, and she's pieced together. Backings are tight. Let the next section heat up. Move it over. And once this thing actually starts heating, it does not take long for us to do it. Do the same thing. We roll it down. And if you notice already, the seams start to disappear. Keep going, and once the glue's heated, this thing slides very easy. Same thing. Start piecing it back together. And we finish it up. And mind you, again, I do be kicking this if it was in a doorway. And the seam is now put back together. So once we go over the fibers, it's done. I gotta let it cool down. And once we flip it over, we've got the backings put back together, tape on both sides, they've been centered out. And again, this will take about 10 minutes for it to cool down before it actually gets its strength back.